friends, it's Miss Drywa. Happy Wednesday. So we've made it to the middle of the week. We're still talking about natural resources, but today we're going to focus on renewable and non-renewable natural resources. So just to remind you, a natural resource is something we get from nature that we use. Remember, we don't have to make it. There are man-made resources, but we're talking about natural resources today, and renewable and non-renewable. So let's get started. So renewable resources. So renewable resources are resources that only take a few years to replace. Okay, so that means that they only take a few years to make new of them. So as we use them as humans, it doesn't take a long time for them to be replaced. So some examples of renewable resources that we will talk about is sunlight. So we use sunlight throughout the day, right? And as we use it, it comes back the next day. It doesn't take a long time for us to get that back. Okay, another one is wind. Wind is a renewable resource because it comes very quickly, right? We don't have to wait years and years and years and years and years for us to get another gust of wind. Another renewable resource is the ocean or water, right? Rain. It rains pretty often where we live. So for us, it's a renewable resource. It doesn't take a long time for it to be created again or for more to be made. As fast as we use it, it takes about the same time for it to be replaced, for us to get another amount of it. Trees and all plants really are renewable resources. Again, you know, they grow rather quickly, and we'll talk about tomorrow actually ways that we can conserve our energy and our natural resources. And if we don't cut them down, they keep growing and more can keep growing, right? And we can keep planting new ones to replenish any ones that we've lost. It doesn't take years and years and years and years and years for us to grow another one. It does take a while for a tree to grow, but it's fast enough for it to be a renewable resource. So then we have non-renewable resources, which are the opposite of renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are resources that take a very long time to replace. So humans, us, we usually use these resources faster than they are made. Okay, so with renewable resources, we said it, as fast as we use it, as fast as we get new. It doesn't take a long time for us to get new of that resource. Non-renewable resources take a very long time, and sometimes we use it faster than it can be replaced. So we use it all up, and there's not another round of it or another amount of it, or there's really no more of it, and we have to wait now for more to be produced. Examples of that, my friend, is oil and gas. So like we talked about the oil and the gas that we put in the car or heat your houses, that takes a long time for them to find it, for it to be produced and made. So it's a non-renewable resource, even though it is a natural resource. So we do get it from nature. It's non-renewable because it takes a very long time for it to be made or replaced. So let's briefly review. So renewable resource, renewable, means it comes quickly. Okay, and examples are sun, wind, rain, water, trees, plants, animals, all that. Those are all considered renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are things that take really long time, super long. Like could take decades to millions of years. It takes very long time. And the example that we're going to focus on is oil and gas. Okay? All right. So, renewable resources don't take a long time. They're pretty fast in replacing them. Non-renewable resources take a long time. You'll learn about that more now in your Nearpod lesson. All right? So complete your Nearpod lesson and have a great day. Bye, friends.